In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to contact Discord support team directly. This is crucial for resolving account security issues, such as hacking or login problems, handling billing disputes like Nitro subscription errors, reporting policy violations, including harassment or scams, and addressing technical issues like bugs or crashes. You want to open up the Discord application. Tap onto your profile icon at the bottom right. Now click on the settings gear icon at your upper right. You want to navigate to the option of support. Here you will be able to submit your request. Select on Help and Support. A form will appear on your screen. Enter your email address first. On Type of Question, select General Question. On Subject, type in a hint of something you want to address to them. On Description, write in your issue. Make it precise and clear. Then lastly, this is very important. Tap right here to add a screenshot of what you're talking about. Once done, click on Submit. You will have to wait for some time. It usually takes less than 24 hours for the Discord support team to reply to you. Well, that's how easy it is to directly contact Discord support team. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.